In this world whose family is there without blemish, who is free from sickness and grief, who is forever happy. A man's descent may be discerned by his conduct, his country by his pronunciation of language, his friendship by his warmth and glow, and his capacity to eat by his body. Give your daughter in marriage to a good family, engage your son in learning, see what your enemy comes to grief, and engage your friends in dharma. Of a rascal and a serpent, the serpent is the better of the two, for he strikes only at the time he is designed to kill, while the former at every step. Therefore kings gather round themselves men of good families, for they never forsake them either at the beginning, the middle, or the end. At the time of the pralaya, universal destruction, the oceans are exceed their limits and seek to change, but a saintly man never changes. Do not keep company with a fool, for as we can see, he is a two-legged beast. Like an unseen thorn, he pierces the heart with his sharp words. Through men be endowed with beauty and youth and born in noble families, yet without education they are like the plaza flowers, which is void of sweet fragrance. The beauty of a cuckoo is in its notes, that of a woman in her unallowed devotion to her husband, that of an ugly person in his scholarship, and that of an ascetic in his forgiveness. Give up a member to save a family to save a village to save a country, and the country to save yourself. As a single withered tree, if set aflame, causes a whole forest to burn, so does a rascal son destroy a whole family. He who runs away from a fearful calamity, a foreign invasion, a terrible famine, and the companionship of wicked men is safe. Lakshmini, the goddess of wealth, comes of own accord where fools are not respected, grain is well stored up, and the husband and wife do not quarrel. Thanks for watching this video guys. Subscribe for part 4. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.